Hey buddy, you're on Boris Rocket's channel. Today, I will help you earn some money online. I'll tell you how you can earn extra cash in a small town or even in a village. Many people think that it's impossible to make good money in such places or that it's very difficult, but I'm here to tell you that it's not true. I personally tested and identified the top 5 online earning methods that are suitable for any level of knowledge and experience. And now, I want to share this knowledge with you so that you can also have an additional source of income, especially if you live in a small town and think that it's the end of your dream of wealth. We all want to make money and live a comfortable life, don't we? And one way to make money is by selling goods online. You can sell anything from handmade items to everyday products in demand. Do you want to know how to start selling your products online? I'll help you and tell you how to do it step by step and where to start. Step 1. Choose a platform to sell on. You can use platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. Etsy is great for selling handmade goods, eBay for selling unwanted items, and Amazon for selling high-volume products. At first, I don't recommend creating your own website or online store, as it will require more time, effort, and money. Step 2. Create your brand. It's important to stand out from other sellers. Come up with a catchy name for your store, create a logo, and choose corporate colors. The more memorable your brand is, the more likely customers will be to search for you. And by the way, if you don't know how to create a logo, choose corporate colors, or set up your business, you can turn to freelancers. You can find them on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, Behance, and Freelancer. I also occasionally use their services, which allows me to save time and achieve high-quality business packaging. Step 3. Optimize your listings. Use bright and expressive photos. Describe the product and its features in detail. Use keywords and respond to customer questions and comments. All of this will help establish trust with customers and win their loyalty. In general, selling goods online is a painstaking process that requires time and patience. But if you search for information, learn everything you don't know, and try new ideas, success won't be long in coming. As Henry Ford said, nothing happens until someone sells something. And remember, the small town you live in is not a hindrance to your business. On the contrary, it can be your advantage as you can offer a unique product that's not sold elsewhere. And the internet is a powerful tool that allows you to sell your products all over the world. The next way to make money on our list is freelancing. It will allow you to forget about bosses and office routine forever. There's nothing better than working in your favorite chair, in your pajamas, with a cup of hot coffee or tea in your hand. Can you guess if I'm wearing pants or shorts right now? I'll leave that question unanswered. The essence of freelancing is finding clients on popular freelance sites like Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, and others. On such sites, you'll find a ton of work and, most importantly, clients from all over the world who are willing to pay well for your talent and creativity. We find a client, do the job, and make a profit. As a freelancer, you can work on article writing, design, marketing, programming, and many other fields. But don't think that this is an easy way to make money. Competition on these sites is tough, just like me, so it's important to provide quality services. Otherwise, clients will start to avoid you like a cat avoids a puddle. But I'll give you 6 tips for a quick start that will help you stay one step ahead of your competitors. Don't be afraid to ask for a fair price for your work, and never agree to work for peanuts, even if it's your first job. Set strict deadlines for completing the work and try to stick to them. Be active. Never stop at what you've achieved. Constantly expand your circle of contacts and attract new clients. Improve your skills and knowledge. Communicate with other freelancers and create your own network of contacts. Yes, freelancing has its own peculiarities and difficulties. Therefore, organize your work, manage your time, and be self-disciplined. And this will be a small price to pay for the freedom and opportunity to work at your own pace and on your own terms. The third way to make money online is blogging. It's probably one of the most popular ways to make money online. Blogging is like creating your own art gallery where you are the main artist and your own curator. It's pretty simple. First, you need to choose a topic that you're interested in and that is close to your heart. For example, you can write about how to catch a butterfly with soap bubbles or how to teach your cat to talk. The main thing is that the topic should be unusual and exciting, like a walk in the night forest. After choosing a topic, you need to attract attention to your blog. Use all possible tools such as social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Use SEO, content marketing, and even magic. Regularly post your articles on social media and attract new subscribers to your blog. And now, the most interesting part. How can you make money on your blog? There are several ways. The first is contextual advertising. You can place ads on your blog and you'll get paid for every click on the ad. Another way is sponsored posts. If you're already known in your niche, companies may offer to write an article about their product or service for a certain fee. You can also participate in affiliate programs and receive commissions for sales. Or you can make money by selling your own products. You can sell ebooks, courses, consultations, subscriptions to your content, and so on. If you live in a small town or village, blogging is not only a great way to make money, but also to become a local star, like a secret agent in London. You can write about local events, stories, attractions, and even hold your own events and festivals. Another cool way to make money online is YouTube. You probably already know that YouTube is a popular video hosting platform where people can upload their videos and earn money from advertising. But nothing prevents you from gaining popularity on YouTube while living in a small town where everybody knows each other, like kittens in a basket. Many celebrities started their careers on YouTube, including Justin Bieber, Shawn Mendes, and Tanya Burr, which confirms that YouTube can become your ladder to success. So what do you need to start your own YouTube channel? The first and most important thing is to choose a channel topic that you like and that your audience will enjoy. For example, you can share your travel adventures, talk about life in a small town, create your own parodies of popular movies, and much more. To create videos, you don't need expensive equipment or to know everything about directing. You can start with simple things such as recording your videos on your smartphone or even an old camera. The main thing is that the video is interesting and original, like a futuristic racing car. Here are a couple of ways you can monetize your YouTube content. You can earn income from advertising on your videos, sell your own goods and services, or even get paid for sponsorships from companies. Often, this brings in even more money than participating in the YouTube sponsorship program. If you're ready for work and creativity, then YouTube can be an excellent way to earn money and an exciting hobby for you and your audience. But the most important thing is to love what you do and share your ideas and experiences with the world, and then you will become a real YouTube star that everyone will know, even in the smallest town. Our fifth way to make money online is online courses. Creating your own online course is a great way to share your knowledge and experience with others and earn money by selling your expertise. But if your online course turns out to be unsuccessful, don't worry, because you can always create a new course on how not to create an unsuccessful course. When it comes to creating a course, it's all pretty simple. Choose an interesting topic and start creating content. And don't forget that your content should be of high quality, interesting, and useful to your audience. Create a course plan, create presentations, video lessons, assignments, and tests. And to attract more students, use online platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare. And most importantly, sell your course. Set a price that corresponds to the value of your course and is affordable for your audience. Use various sales methods such as advertising and marketing to promote your course faster. But don't forget that creating an online course is a long-term process that requires effort and patience. But if you follow my advice, you could create a successful online course and earn money by selling your expertise. And remember, no matter where you live, you have an excellent opportunity to earn extra money online. Selling products online, Freelancing, blogging, YouTube, and online courses, all of these methods will give you an excellent opportunity to make money and achieve success, even in small towns. But there are also other ways to make money online that can bring you much more income. And to find out what other ways there are to earn money, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Boris will never lead you astray. After all, as one Russian proverb says, who managed the 1 and 8? You have to learn about new ways to make money first in order to get the cream of the crop. And I bid you farewell, my friend, and wish you good luck in your business.